Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a Forever 21 winter clothing try on haul. I feel like I haven't done a try on haul in so long, so I really wanted to get one up and get some new clothes for the winter time. So lucky for me, I actually do work at a Forever 21 store, so I get an employee discount, which is great. So I definitely balled out a little bit and got a bunch of stuff. You're going to be seeing a mix of things in this try on haul, like jeans, pants, we got some tops, jackets, dresses, everything like that. I definitely wanted to get a good amount of variety in this try on haul. So we're just gonna go ahead and get started. I have all the clothes next to me and I'm actually wearing two of the pieces right now. So I guess I'll just start off with the two pieces that I'm wearing. So the first one is this really cute, it's a pink corduroy men's jacket. So this is actually a men's jacket that I got in the men's section at Forever 21. I've gotten a lot of compliments on it, like when I'm at the register and people are like, oh my god, I love your jacket. My family has said it, so it's definitely a great jacket. I did get a size small, so it's not too big. I kind of wish I got a medium, but then everyone at work was like, no, the small looks good, the medium would be too baggy. So I definitely love this. I wear it a lot and I just love the color of it, the baby pink. And I get a lot of compliments, so I love it. I just like to pair it with like a white or black shirt, usually leggings, maybe some jeans. So it's something really simple but really cute that you can dress up or dress down. Again, I love this. It's from the men's section. They did have other colors. They had a baby pink, tan, brown, and like a sage color, like a dark green. Kind of like this green right here. Not, I don't know, not that green, but it's like definitely a sage or a dark green. It was really, really nice. Somebody actually returned it and I was like, I definitely want to buy that. I'm not sure if they have it in stores anymore, but you could definitely check online. It's so nice to have. And I actually got one for my stepdad as well because he liked it so much. So it's definitely a great piece to have. So the second thing that I'm wearing from Forever 21 as well is this bodysuit. I love this bodysuit. It's like a silky material, but it's thick. Not too thick to the point where you're going to be like overheating, but it's definitely a thicker bodysuit. It has this really nice, I guess it's called a silk material. I'm not like too sure what it's called, but it's definitely thicker and it's those ones that like really smooth you out. I love it. It has this like high neckline and thick straps right here. It's the perfect thing to wear with jeans. Honestly, I've been wearing it so much. I love it. I did get it in just this white color. I didn't get any other colors, but I definitely want to go back and see if they have more. So with this bodysuit in particular, it's not a thong bottom, but it is like a thinner, like strap, I guess you could say. If you guys are into bodysuits, you know that there are some that are thicker strapped at the bottom and some that are really thong ones, so you can't see any lines at all. This one is nice though. Even though it's not a thong bottom, I can never see any like panty lines. I think it's because of the material. It has that like no-show underwear material, that really like soft, silky type of material. I love it. I think it just fits like really well. Definitely two great pieces to have. I love them so much. So the next thing that I got is this really big, oversized, cute, reversible fuzzy jacket. So I've been eyeing this for such a long time, and after Black Friday, they all got sold out. And I was really bummed because I missed my opportunity to buy it, and my two like best work friends knew how much I wanted this jacket. And one day I took a nap and I woke up with a text from them in our group chat saying that somebody returned it. It's an extra large. It's bigger than you wanted, but if you want it, you know, we'll buy it for you right now. And I literally was so freaking happy. I love this jacket. Again, this is a extra large. I'm usually like a medium, but if I want it oversized, I'll go large or extra large. So I knew this was gonna be the only one that I could get my hands on, so I bought it and I am obsessed with it. I love the fact that it's reversible. So it has this cheetah on one side and then the black on the other. So whatever outfit I'm trying to wear, I can decide whether I want, you know, a neutral, you know, outside or a nice pop of print. So I love it so much. It does have a hood, which I like. So that's like the perfect thing for winter. It has this really nice big hood. It's so comfortable. It's like wearing a blanket. The only thing is that it gets very warm. If you're going outside, it's perfect because, you know, if it's freezing out, this will definitely keep you warm. But if you're doing a lot of things and you're moving around a lot, but you're wearing this, you might get a little hot. So just saying, if you guys are interested, you guys can try and see if they have it online or at your store. But these went super fast at my store, so I'm definitely glad I got this one. Next up, I got these really cute baby blue cargo pants. Now, I'm not sure if I'm gonna be keeping these, just because when I saw them, I really wanted them. Like, I've always had my eye on them and I bought them. I was super happy, but now I'm kind of debating if I should have gotten black because it's a lot easier to pair with. They're the same style, like the exact same. They have blue, they have black. I'm pretty sure they have like a tan. They have, I think, a dark green. They have a bunch of colors in this style. So it's not like I'm gonna get anything, you know, super different that I'm not including in this haul, but I love this color regardless. It's so pretty and I love the pockets. It just gives it like a little bit more of an edgy feel. It's not just like straight up pants, kind of boring. It has a really cute pocket detailing and this little detailing on the belt as well. And then the bottoms are cuffed. I just like them a lot. Like, I've never had a pair of cargo pants before. So when I saw them at Forever, I was just like, I have to buy this. Again, I'm kind of debating if I should have gotten black just because it's easier to pair, but I don't know. I think I may keep this. I think it's so pretty. These do feel a little bit more spring and summer vibes. So that's why I keep going back and forth with the blue or the black, but I think I might just get the black anyways and just keep both of them because I really like this. And it's a very like comfortable feel. All I have really are like jeans, sweatpants, leggings, definitely nothing like this. So I just love these pants. Again, I'll keep you guys updated on whether I'm keeping them or not, but I really think I'm just gonna keep them and get some more pairs. Next up, I got another men's piece. This is just a nice sweatshirt. It has a really cute dog on it and I just love it. When I saw it at the store, I was actually shopping with my two best work friends and I showed one of them and she was like, that literally screams you, like cheetah print and dogs is basically me. So once I saw this, I thought it was so cute. It's just a big men's sweatshirt that I could wear with leggings or jeans. This is a size men's medium, so it is a little bit big on me, but it's not long. I wish it was a little bit longer just because when I wear leggings, I like for the shirt to cover my butt. But regardless, this is a really nice sweater to have just when I'm lounging around, if I want to go run errands and put some sweatpants on or leggings, anything like that. It's just so comfortable and it is, you know, fuzzy on the inside right here, so it'll definitely keep me warm. Overall, it's just a really nice material. I don't have anything in this color, so when I saw it, I was like, you know what, I'm definitely gonna buy this. Again, I wish it was a little bit longer, but it's a really just comfy sweater to wear all the time, and the dog just makes it like 40 times better. It's just so freaking cute. I feel like you can just never go wrong with the sweatshirt with the dog on it. So next up, I got a pair of mom jeans, and I am so excited about this. This is probably one of the best things that I bought in this entire haul. I have been wanting mom jeans for so long. Again, I usually have like skinny jeans. I think I have 2 pairs of skinny jeans, maybe 3. I have 2 like blue denim ones. One's ripped, one's not. And then I have cropped black skinny jeans. But I've been wanting to like up my jean collection, so I ended up getting a boyfriend style jean from H&M. I think like 2 months ago. I really like those. They're super like loose fit, really ripped, really nice, and just like a good comfortable jean vibe, I guess you could say. But I've been really eyeing these mom jeans at work, and a coworker was actually wearing them, and I was like, where'd you get your jeans? And she said that they were these black mom jeans, and I really like them. So I guess the difference between mom jeans and boyfriend jeans is that boyfriend jeans are like loose all the way through from your thigh to your ankle, but mom jeans are a little bit more like fitted, I guess, in the thigh, and it kind of goes a little bit more straight and loose to the ankle. So I definitely needed a different variety when it came to jeans. So again, I really like these because they're super comfortable. Sometimes you want to wear jeans, but you don't feel like wearing super skinny, tight jeans. That's where mom jeans and boyfriend jeans really come into play, and they just make your life so much easier. These are good because these are high-waisted. I actually don't have many like high-waisted jeans, which is kind of weird. The boyfriend ones that I have are low rise. These are high rise, relaxed fit with the tapered leg. They have a little bit of rips, nothing too crazy. They have a little bit more on this side right here. Again, it's just a good variety to have because my boyfriend jeans from H&M are super ripped, like completely destroyed, but like in a good way that I like. So I just wanted to have a little bit more of a not ripped jean. So that's where these are super good. They do have, again, the tapered leg right here. They're just super comfortable. I'm really happy with them. And these are perfect because I can wear something cropped, which usually when it comes to my other jeans, I can't wear anything cropped because my stomach will just be like too out for me. Like it's just gonna be way too much. So it's good to have a nice pair of mom jeans that are comfortable but are also high-waisted, so I can definitely pair a lot of different tops with this. Next up, I got this really pretty berry dress. This has nice long sleeves. It's perfect for winter, and it also has this nice ruching that goes from the top of the sleeve all the way down. It's so pretty and super comfortable. It kind of has the same material as this bodysuit right here. This one is a little bit softer to the touch. This one is more like silky and smooth, but this one is definitely a lot softer. They're both a little bit on the thicker side, so like I said, in the winter it's perfect. So you're not gonna be wearing a little thin dress and you're gonna be freezing your butt off. You're gonna be fine. And again, with this too, you're gonna be fine. So I love this. It's really comfortable, and I also like the fact that there is like double layers. When you put the dress on, it is gonna cover a lot and it's not gonna be too see-through because it does have that double layer, and it's just gonna be so comfortable, and you're not gonna be worried about showing any panty lines or anything like that. It's just such a nice dress. This was also somebody's return. So for this right here, this pink corduroy men's jacket, somebody returned it, and then I had my eye on it and I bought it. And same thing with this, somebody returned it in the morning. I saw it and I was like, size medium, cute dress, perfect for the winter. Just wanted to spice up my closet a little bit, and I bought it. So I love this. I just feel like it's just a nice dress to have. Again, am I really gonna wear it that much in the winter time? Probably not, but if I'm having like a date night in, or just want to be cute and put a little dress on, there's nothing wrong with that. It's just such a nice material to have. Super, super soft and silky to the touch. I love it. Again, it's perfect for the winter. I love this berry color. I think it's so pretty. I feel like it looks a little bit more red on camera, but in person, in the mirror right in front of me, it's definitely a little bit more berry and purple. So if you guys are seeing a little bit more red, it's definitely a little bit more purple than red, but it's so, so pretty. Next up, I got this really nice black jean jacket. I have been on the hunt for a black jean jacket for a really, really long time. So when I saw this one at Forever that has really nice, like warm fur, and I literally bought it like instantly. I didn't even hesitate. Like, this is the perfect jacket for like the fall and winter time. It's really nice, especially because of the fur. So it doesn't have the fur in the sleeve itself, but it has it like in the body of the jacket, I guess you could say, and then right here on the thick collar. So it does add some nice warmth, and you could definitely wear it with like a sweater underneath, a hoodie underneath, or like a light long sleeve underneath. It's definitely like that jacket that you can pair with anything. I have really been loving this. I actually wear this a lot with this bodysuit right here. I feel like they just complement each other really well. I just love the way that the two look together. So it's pretty much like your standard jean jacket, but taking it to like the winter level. Because even the jean jacket that I actually have, it's not black. It's just like a regular light wash, I guess you could say, or like a regular denim color. It doesn't have any fur, so it's not as warm as this one right here. So that's why I really, really like it. It just kind of like steps up your jacket game, I guess you could say. Just a great jacket to have in your closet. It's really warm. Really, you can pair it with anything. I usually wear it with jeans, but you could definitely wear it with leggings if you want. This is a size large. I wish I got a medium just because it is a little bit big on the shoulders, but then it really works out if I'm wearing a hoodie or like a thicker sweater underneath. But I love this jacket. It's definitely a great one to have in your collection. Lastly, I have this really, really cute two-piece set that I actually got from somebody's return. Again, I just feel like whenever people like return things, I'm like, damn, I like that. I haven't seen it in the store. Like, the store is really big and we're getting clothes every single day, new clothes, old clothes, everything like that. So every time I see something, I'm like, damn, I haven't seen that. And again, it was a size medium and I bought it and I love it. So it comes with this cute crop top right here, and then it comes with some sweats that are cuffed at the bottom and are high-waisted, so I love it. And it has this nice thick band at the top, and also the cuffs at the bottom are thick as well. And also just has this really nice tie-dye print the whole way through. It's kind of like a, I don't know, like a mauve color, a mauve brown color, nothing too like wild and neon, nothing like too summery like that, but it's definitely just some cute mauve colors. This is super, super comfortable to me. Like, I really like this. It's definitely good for nights where you want to look, I guess, a little cute, but you just want to be comfortable, you know? Like, sometimes you're totally fine looking like a bum. You got your hair up looking crazy, you got no makeup on, you're wearing like huge sweatpants, a huge hoodie. Like, sometimes that's just the mood you're in. Sometimes you want to look like cute but comfy. That's exactly what I wear this for. Like, if I'm with my boyfriend or I want to just be a little cute that night. I don't know. I just feel like this is just the perfect thing. I just love this. It's so comfortable. Like every time I wear it, I'm just like, I love this. I'm so glad somebody returned it so I could buy it. I love this. I just love how it's not super thick. It's not super thin. It's perfectly like in the middle. And the crop top and high-waisted sweats just make it like extra cute. So I love this. I will definitely be wearing this all winter long as well. So that is everything that I got for my Forever 21 winter try on haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. I really love all the pieces that I got. It was definitely time for me to upgrade my closet a little bit. Even though we're not going like anywhere, there's no clubs, there's no parties, there's no nothing. I felt like I just needed some things. Again, I could have bought like the whole store, bought some club clothes, but there's really no need for that. I really wanted to, but I definitely just wanted to upgrade my closet a little bit and add some different pieces. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I will definitely link everything down below for you guys. I'm gonna see if they have it online. If they have it online, I will link that. If not, I will just write pretty much what the piece is in case you guys are interested and you want to find it at your local Forever 21 store. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys liked it, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell. Also, don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you'll get notified every single time I upload and you'll never miss a video from me. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.